I generally don't know if it's going to do it again.
Oh, just wait. Is you got it recording?
Yeah. Anytime I turn... Anytime the camera goes on, they go completely quiet.
Sounds like he's like right here.
Yep, that's why I'm going this way. Like, why would they be... Like, there's a tree over there, like... Okay, well, I don't know. They were louder earlier. I don't like them. Yeah. Oh, wait. That tree. Might be in the tree up there.
Which one?
The tall one right there. The one with all the...
The one in the back?
Yeah.